Children, now see here, as I told you, I will give you some options and also I will give you some incomplete sentences. You should complete the incomplete sentences with the help of the given phrasal verbs. Given phrasal verbs. You see, children, here I already wrote here. Please write down in your notebook and you can try to fill the incomplete sentences with the help of phrasal verbs. These are the phrasal verbs, these are the meanings. I gave you the meanings also because now you are going to learning. That is why try to understand what is the phrasal verbs meaning. Okay, see that break down. Break down means suddenly stop functioning. Suddenly stop functioning. Break out. Break out means start suddenly, immediately, like this. Start suddenly. Break in. Break in, force entry into a building. Force entry into a building. Break up. Break up means end or part. Break up means end or part. Okay, these are the four phrasal verbs I gave along with their meaning. Now, what is your duty? Your duty is to fill the four incomplete statements. These incomplete statements require these phrasal verbs. So, try to fill it. If you are unable to fill it, please watch this video. I will going to give the correct right form of phrasal verbs and I will complete the incomplete statements. See, children, here the thief dash and stole all the valuables. The thief dash and stole all the valuables. See, which is the right form of phrasal verb here? See there. Suddenly stop functioning, start suddenly, force entry into a building, end or part. Break down, break out or break in or break up. Which is the correct phrasal verb here? The thief break in. The thief break in. Break in and stole all the valuables. Break in means what? Force entry into a building. The thief break in and stole all the valuables. Understand, children? In the same way, how I filled here, in the same way, come on, it is your option. Try to complete the second incomplete sentence. We had to take a taxi. We had to take a taxi as our car dash. As our car dash. See there, break down, break out, break in or break up. Which is one? Which is one? Suddenly stop functioning, break down. Okay, see there, we had to take a taxi as our car break down. As our car break down. If you write like this, you will get 1 marks. You will get 1 marks. Okay, children, come on. The third one, their friendship dash after a fight. Their friendship dash after a fight. Their friendship dash after a fight. See there, break down, break out, break in or break up. See there, break up means end or part. Their friendship break up. Break up after a fight. Their friendship break up after a fight. Okay, see there. The last one, rights dash after a political leader was murdered. after a political leader was murdered. Here, which is the right phrasal verb here? See there, start suddenly. So, riots break out, riots break out after a political leader was murdered. Like this, children, see, I gave 4 phrasal verbs along with meaning. In exam, there is no meaning, only they will give or they will ask, fill up the blanks with right form of the phrasal verb, or he will give a choice also. That is why, children, why I gave the meaning, because now you are learning, no? That is why try to understand the meaning. Without the meanings provided, try to understand what is meant by breakdown, break out, and break in and break up also. In the same way, children, I gave here the same 4 phrasal verbs and 4 incomplete statements. For example, see there, call for. Call for means require. Call for, it means require. Call off. Call off, it means to cancel something. To cancel something. Third one, call out. Call out means to ask somebody to come. To ask somebody to come. Call up, to telephone somebody. To telephone somebody. Call up. Call up, to telephone somebody. See, children, the teacher dash the winner's name. The teacher dash the winner's name. Now you choose the right form of the phrasal verb. Call for, require. Call off, to cancel something. Call out, to ask somebody to come. Call up, to telephone somebody. Which is the right form of the phrasal verb? The teacher dash the winner's name. The teacher dash the winner's name. Call out. See there. The teacher call out. See there. Call out means to ask somebody to come. Call out. Second, I dash her before going to her house. I dash her before going to her house. Here, which is the suitable phrasal verb here, children? Please try to complete this one with the help of given phrasal verbs. See there. I call up. I call up. Call up means what? Call up, to telephone somebody. I call up her before going to her house. I call up her before going to her house. Okay, like this, I will give you the remaining 2 and remaining some more examples also, and try to understand like this, children, because you see, phrasal verb, the topic is a new introduced topic. That is why you can expect one question from this topic. That is why, children, please try to understand, don't neglect it. Okay, take down. I will give you some more phrasal verbs and incomplete statements also.